Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get a bank statement on Capitec App. Alright, let's begin. You can find the option to request a bank statement for any amount of time that you wish inside of the latest version of the Capitec mobile banking app. So make sure your app is up to date, running the latest version available, and open it up. Sign in using your credentials, and from the home screen, you will see a list of all the accounts that are assigned to you. Select the account that you want the bank statement for, and you will be able to access the details page for that account, which includes the available balance that you have on that specific account and all the transactions that you've recently made. All you have to do on that menu is click the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. This will give you access to a menu where you can select Email Statement. The only option they have available is to receive your bank statement through email, and you will be able to choose to receive a statement from the last 30 days, the last 90 days, or choose a specific date range up to 90 days. Afterwards, you simply have to include your email address and click Send at the bottom. When you include a valid and legitimate email address, you will be able to open it up and you will receive a PDF file containing the bank statement for the date range that you selected. As long as everything is okay, you will be able to download that file and share the bank statement as needed. And that's it. So that's basically how to get a bank statement on Capitec App. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.